How to make whole wheat dumplings.
Hello, my name is Miwako. Thank you so much for visiting my channel where you find healthy whole food plant-based recipes.
Today we are going to make vegan dumplings stuffed with tofu and mushroom. In the previous video, I demonstrated how to make dumpling wrappers with whole wheat and spinach. If you haven't watched yet, please do so after this video.
The recipe is in the description box below, so let's get started.
Chopped scallions, minced chives, finely chopped coriander. Grab a fork and scratch the mushroom stem, then pull apart. You can just cut mushroom with knife, but when you shred by hands, mushroom releases more umami, or at least that's how I feel. Then finely chop with knife. Grate ginger. Press garlic cloves. Preheat the pan, then saute scallion, garlic, ginger, and chives. Add mushroom and stir. Pinch of salt. Add crumbled tofu. Add soy sauce, rice vinegar. Mix well. Add coriander and sesame seeds. Sprinkle some red pepper and black pepper to your liking. Dust off excess cornstarch. Place a wrapper on your hand. Apply a small amount of water to the edge. It ensures to seal completely. Now make a cup with your hand. Heaping teaspoon of stuffing. Pinch the edge with thumb and index finger. Then fold and pinch. Fold and pinch. Fold and pinch. Fold, pinch. Fold and pinch. Ta-da! The dumpling is done! Add water into a cookware, which is large enough to hold a steamer. Add ginger, garlic, and lemon zest, and bring it to boil. Line the steamer with napa cabbage. Then place dumplings. Cover the steamer. When water is boiled, carefully place the steamer and steam for 8 to 10 minutes. There we go. Delicious homemade dumplings are ready.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're going to try this very healthy recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye! Vai, Kakasa, vai,